Welcome to F1 Blogs, your ultimate destination for Formula One news, exclusive stories, and in-depth analysis. Stay ahead of the curve with everything happening on and off the track. Ferrari team principal Fred Vasseur confirmed during the Las Vegas Grand Prix weekend that Lewis Hamilton will not be joining the team early for the traditional post-season test in Abu Dhabi. Despite Ferrari's excitement about welcoming the seven-time champion in 2025, contractual obligations with Mercedes prevent Hamilton from making an early appearance in Ferrari colors. This decision contrasts with Carlos Sainz's situation. The outgoing Ferrari driver has been granted permission to test with Williams, his new team for the 2025 season. Sainz's transition will begin immediately following the final race in Abu Dhabi, where he will participate in post-season testing with his future team, marking an important step in his career. Vasseur addressed the matter candidly, emphasizing the situational nature of such arrangements. "No, I didn't approach Toto Wolff to allow Lewis to test early. Lewis is under contract with Mercedes until the end of the year, and we respect that. Each situation is unique, and there's no obligation for a team to release a driver for post-season tests." Toto Wolff, Mercedes team boss, echoed these sentiments. "Fred didn't ask, and it wouldn't have been possible even if he had," Wolff explained. "Lewis has commitments with our sponsors and team activities that we need to fulfill as we bid him farewell properly. When we briefly discussed the idea, both of us agreed it wasn't feasible." Hamilton, who is set to join Ferrari for the 2025 season, remains fully committed to Mercedes until his current contract concludes. The team has planned several farewell activities to honor his incredible tenure, ensuring a meaningful send-off. Meanwhile, Carlos Sainz's move to Williams marks the end of a chapter with Ferrari. Vasseur acknowledged Sainz's outstanding professionalism and contributions to the team, despite knowing early in the season that he wouldn't be staying. "The story with Carlos is one of gratitude. He's delivered a stellar performance for us this season, even in the face of uncertainty about his future with Ferrari," Vasseur said. "It would have been easy for him to lose focus, but he remained professional and dedicated. Allowing him to test with Williams is our way of saying thank you for his commitment. Sainz will be part of Williams' post-season test lineup, giving him a head start in adapting to his new team for 2025. This opportunity is expected to help Williams build momentum as they integrate a proven talent like Sainz into their roster." For all the latest updates on driver transitions, team developments, and everything Formula One, don't forget to subscribe to F1 Blogs. Be part of the fastest growing F1 community today.